Free Document Maker offers a suite of over 30 free AI-powered tools for creating, editing, and converting documents, PDFs, and media. It operates as a browser-based platform, eliminating the need for installation or sign-up. Key features of Free Document Maker. Broad toolset. The platform offers a diverse range of over 30 AI tools. These include an AI document writer, a resume builder, an invoice generator, and a certificate maker. Media versatility. Beyond traditional text documents and PDFs, the suite also includes tools for working with images, audio, and video files. Supported formats include DOC, PDF, MP3, MP4, and various image types. Instant and unlimited access. All tools are available in-browser with no account or sign-up required. Users can start creating immediately and download their documents without watermarks. Multi-platform availability. In addition to its web app, Free Document Maker can be accessed via a Chrome extension and a Google Play app. Security and privacy. The platform emphasizes user privacy by not requiring sign-up or tracking, and it operates entirely within the browser. Ease of use. The tool allows users to generate documents from a text or voice prompt, which the AI then turns into a formatted document. It also provides customizable templates,